Okay, in the paper airplane, they're telling us that ABCD is congruent to EFGH, and that means that the vertices also match. So what are we going to do? We're going to say, okay, A then is the first letter in that figure, ABCD, and E is the first letter in EFGH. So this and this, okay, they're congruent angles. They're telling us that measure of angle B equals the measure of angle CED, which is 90. I'm sorry, angle B right here is equal to the measure of angle BCD, which is here, which is 90. Okay, and BAD is 131. So that's saying that this right here is 131 degrees. And because of what I'd said earlier, we know that this one then is also 131 degrees. Okay? And of course, going around, we could say, they're saying find GHE, and which one is GHE? That's this. Well, we know that all the parts correspond, so let's go back to fill in the rest of the angles that we know over here. If we know that G corresponds with C, then we know that that's a right angle. And if we know that B corresponds with F, which we do from the names, second letter is B on that one, second letter is F on that one, then if B is a 90-degree angle, and they tell us that it is up top, then so is F here, okay? So we're trying to find this yellow angle that I've highlighted out, okay, which of course is also going to correspond to this angle right here. Okay, but they want to know about GHE, and so what we're saying is it's a quadrilateral, and we know that it's got a sum to 360, and we already have 3 of the 4 measures. We've got 131 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, and that adds up to 311 degrees. So if we do 360 minus 311, we will find out what's left for that remaining angle. So this becomes a 5, so that's a 10. We've got 9, 4, 49 degrees. Okay, 49 degrees. So we can say the measure of angle GHE equals 49.